Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your desktop environment. This method uses GNOME keyboard and mouse behavior. First, open both windows you plan to arrange. Once done, press the Super key to reveal activities and drag one window toward the left screen edge until it snaps to half. You do this to let the compositor position the window precisely. It reduces manual resizing. Make sure the other window remains visible in Activities, so you can snap it to the opposite side immediately. Next, take the other window and drag it to the opposite edge, or press Super plus right or Super plus left to snap it opposite the first. This creates a 2-up split with a draggable divider between them. You can click and drag that divider to change the width ratio. Do that when you need more space for one app. Also, use Alt plus Tab to move focus quickly. This keeps your workflow smooth while both windows remain tiled side by side without overlapping. To finish, tweak each pane. Press Super plus up to maximize a snapped window or Super plus down to restore it. If snapping does not work, make sure no GNOME shell extension is blocking window tiling and that keyboard shortcuts are enabled in settings. You do this because extensions sometimes override default behavior. If the shell becomes unresponsive, press Alt plus F2, type R and enter to restart GNOME shell. That preserves your session and typically restores snapping functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.